Why am I paying $1.3 CPC for keywords with zero competition? Hey LA, I'm running a Google Ads campaign in a very specific niche where I have 80 to 100% impression share. Basically, I am the only one paying to advertise for these keywords. I'm currently using a manual bid strategy. Why can't I wrap my head around this? If there is no competition, why am I still paying 0.8, $1, $1.3 or more per click? Is there some sort of base minimum CPC that Google forces you to pay even if you're alone, or am I setting things up wrong and could actually lower my cost per click a lot more? For context, my product sells for $30 with a good 3% conversion rate. 100 clicks are costing me way too much compared to what I can make. If you have experience with this or can explain how the CPC works in low no competition, I'd really appreciate the help. So first of all, thank you for asking this question, and this is a very common question, which I think needs an address or an answer. Okay, when you are overpaying for something like this, try to understand how you are analyzing that you are overpaying. Another way is to look around for your auction insights. There are few ways. For instance, this is a Google Ads account. I'm gonna look for auction insights. With auction insights, I can see apart from me who else is advertising for my terms and how much of the impression share I'm getting. So if you are getting the 100% impression share, there is no competitor. It's a highly a good idea to look around for tools like SpyFu or SEMrush. Any tool can help you to determine or find out if any other is advertising or not on your particular queries, because sometimes we think that we are the only one advertising, but there are other advertisers as well. So this thing as well. Now another thing is look around for the quality score as well. Now quality score plays a crucial role. So what you can do is you can move on to your campaigns over here and look around for your audience keyword and look around for your keywords to see your quality score over here by selecting over here. So you can see, for instance, I'm going to select the one where I am getting clicks. So for instance, I'm getting the clicks over here, so I'm going to look around for them. So right now it's not showing, but you may see that for this keyword we have a 4/10 quality score. Now this is actually where we are getting hurt. So this is, guys, we need to look around the 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 is not acceptable. 7 is acceptable, but anything less than 7 are not good things. So look around for many keywords we are not being able to show due to poor quality score. So when the poor quality score is low, your ad rank also gets reduced, so which is why you have to pay more. So what I can suggest is try reducing your CPC because you are paying through the manual CPC, or try changing it to maximize clicks. Do the maximize clicks, reduce your CPC, and try to see how much auction insights or how much impression share you get. Firstly, look around this, and then also optimize on quality score, and this can actually help you in reducing your cost. So yeah, this is how the Google algorithm works. Google algorithm primarily works on a quality score and auction insights and ad rank and the CTR. CTR means click through rate, how many people are clicking on your ad. So these are the few things which are crucial to get your Google Ads optimized. So yeah, in case if you need Google Ads audit optimization or Google Ads setup or monthly management service or other digital marketing service including Google My Business, Google Merchant Center, or even website development, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we will definitely love to work and sort out things with you. So I hope you like this case query, and I hope you like my answer. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Bye bye.